Hagani ka jaka aji kai ku officer bat ki trainer nakaliang ka Red Cross kila aji kai ki khna school hagabai dai bat ka first aid lani ka jirap ka baning du bat ka bakar ki habadon ki jingja ki bala ban pelmen sawi ki brio la ka long na ka jimpun julon ki bor mariang ki jingja accident ni kindu kindu jingja ki bamen saw hagani ka jing aji kai lai simenta di khna jang school la penlong ru e ka mok drill ban pen I ya ki wei di ki la jirap di pai ba ya ki pai ba.
Take her in reclining position is this one. Take her up, semi-lying position. Always remember your knee. Your knee is the best support for the semi-reclining position, okay? First you give your knee and second is the elbow. Okay? Second is the elbow, first is the knee, second is the elbow. Elbow to raise the head and knee to support the back. Okay? And make her cool, calm. Fine, I have already called for 108, I have already called for the help, I have already called. You can take the help from the bystanders also. Those who are standing nearby, you can take the help from the bystanders also. Okay? Then try to cover up with a piece of cloth. Because you have taken her out from the river, she may feel cold. If possible, if you can change the cloth, is good. If not possible, then try to cover up with some warm cloth. This is your handkerchief. If the person got injured on the elbow and there is an open wound, okay, cover the wound. Always involve casualty. Always involve casualty. She has covered the wound because she knows how much pressure to be given. This is the just to keep this padding, okay? Just to keep this padding and tight. How to secure it more? Ask casualty to hold the apex. Now apex near the neck, just below the ear, okay? Near the neck, below the ear. Ask casualty to hold the apex. Hold apex. Then make inner ham. This is elbow bandage. Okay? A shoulder bandage, sorry. This is shoulder bandage. Now, there is a wound. So we are not going to tie here. How can you tie a knot over the wound? We are tying the wound here. We will tie the knot here. After tying the knot, hide the ends because if it gets poked somewhere, then it may come out. Okay? And this one, just hide it here.
I principal jong school ikong Marwin laong baka jimpon long yakani ka training kalong kumsibenta banirap iki khna school bakin long ki bakuloi banirap iki wei la ja buan ka jingja ba pimen sawi ki brio
ni ba ka fasit ka dan kambahana kum ta khna ne hi badan jing sa la kalong school la ni hieng la ni ha hang du ha ka nu du jaka ka bidan bangi pa ko jing sungu ya ka Indian Red Cross Society lang ba jong Mamekalaya State Branch baka awan ban conduct ya kanika training hakini ki arsni nakaliang jog school ni dan kamban aji kai khna la dai kidan ki bakum kini jingja yo ban yarap kila ban yada ya ladi kila ban yarap ki wepan ag jing shangi je tang sis pa san pungun nei hadian bakile I ya ka training ka ba ki conduct nakaliang jong ka Red Cross ki bopon ki khna la jan paro hi ki ko abani simentan dai kapur ka kim madu kata katangim la ban de kum tanga training kin sedang wan hi hakiwi pak kita ya kanika training ngidang sedang mentakus nam di kidan ke ha kipor bre bagi khat kum nakaliang jongka Red Cross khat tang balong tang ki khandia de kina dengan sampai nang ni sakmat yo kadang dan kam pede mila bang ngendang khat